Hi, today in front of me iPad 10th generation and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first, to do that, we should open the settings application and then tap here to the sound section. Here we'll see ringtone alert volume panel, and just to unmute ringtone, we should hold and swipe this white dot to the right side with our finger. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. With volume buttons, just first we should use the switcher. We should activate it to change our ringtone volume with the buttons, and now just by pressing the up volume button, we can also unmute ringtone volume on our iPad. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.